And meaning that it ain't about your strong, independent, sassy, cute, can get attention, such and so forth, because what you saw was a woman.
Shawty got her ass on her. God damn. 20% off. Canvas. I didn't even see who coming on that curve, but I try to pass y'all. I went down, try to get on all of a sudden. Nah, I'm good on that. As soon as I can goddamn see over this fucking hill. See? Car coming. Everybody, hurry up, motherfucker. Everybody take off.
I was there or somebody was there to do something. Any woman in your life whatsoever. How do you see this situation and not picture that being your grandma, your mama, your wife, your daughters, your best girlfriends? Like, that's really a Peter Parker, Uncle Ben moment. Remember when Peter Parker let that dude rob the wrestling promoter who owed him money? He just let the guy go and the guy left and ended up killing his Uncle Ben? That's what...
Don't come on here. Miss Hudson, what's going on? Is that really your name? All right, I'm gonna call you A, okay? Because I don't want it to trigger my thing over here. What do you got for me?
Yeah, I agree that twerking is not classy. But I can also agree with what Anthony was saying. You know, you kind of have that music around your restaurant. It attracts to certain types of females, but it doesn't give those females.
And dudes are tired of it, man. Dudes are just outright tired of it.
Ha! I like that. Peaches and clean.
To my level. That's what I do with a lot of my executives.
Run the fuck out of that stop sign.
A lot of my well-established entrepreneurs. This size 4 is a woman who's 5'4" and 120 to 125 pounds. So if your size is double plus that, a 4 double up would be an 8 plus that would be a 10, and you're 2 to so yeah. When was the last time you really weighed yourself?
Last night.
Like earlier this week.
Earlier this week? Today's Monday.
Like Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday.
Hell no.
You have a scale in your house?
Mm-hmm.
Go weigh yourself. Well, wait. Go weigh yourself. I want you to come back and tell me what it is.
No, really, I am. Like, I promise you. That's how much I weigh.
Y'all didn't see that? He getting under the car? That's a big ass dude. Take precaution. Right. What the hell these boys from? Damn, 3 of them hoes?
We are big because we want a lot. When it comes to
4 of them hoes?
we're Eric's Gorgeous Injury Law Firm, Morgan & Morgan. Visit forthepeople.com for an office near you.
You might get that motherfucker. Outside of video games? What the fuck is you doing, man? Outside of video game, like, ain't nothing I at my mom for that. See, look at you, dumbass. God damn. Fucking drive, so folk won't be cutting in front of your ass.
Without having a situation. And then lastly, you got to get out of the house. Too many women think that the dude's going, who is it, Boaz? No. You need to become a fixture after all two.
Hell no.
Local fixture.
Like that. Catch a bitch on spaz. Half a beer.
God damn, what the fuck? Yes.
and focus, but you just learn that over time. And I've gotten pretty good at it because I've done that forever doing video. But like, you can't have like, it's heavy when you're doing it, especially with like a red or like a cinema camera, and they're lighter now.
Start taking their vows seriously till death do us part, for better or for worse, for all those things. They become better as a result of it when things are incentivized for them to stay together. That's the whole reason why you get benefits as it relates to marriage and all these things. When people start having kids out of wedlock and then it's incentivized for
who let that man put this shit on the street? They can't be street legal. He can't even go 45 miles per hour, let alone 35.
You to stay single, and they're not specifically saying
I'm going 25 miles per hour. You serious? On a 35 mile per hour road?
For women to benefit.
Where your tag at, motherfucker? Look at this bullshit.
It's obvious that that's...
I just go donate. I just go donate. Why you ain't on the right side of the road? You want to get your ass hit. I don't get why you want to just go ahead and pay the 8 now. Damn, shot. Oh, the bitch is sitting in the cut. The motherfucker sitting in the goddamn cut. Oh my gosh.
I think it's more so really you have to be able to have the resources, the earnings, and the resources in order to get what you want. Not just the woman, but everything that comes along with that lifestyle.
Say that wide ass turn.
They gave me the fist bump. I mean, it blew me away. I thought, this is such a great thing. This black guy and this white guy who don't know.
Seem pretty, ain't you?
It's fucking the kitchen. I'm trying to make sure that you with it. You know that I get